In this video we're giving an honest review of FitOn, one of the most popular free fitness apps that promises professional workouts without a subscription. FitOn offers a wide range of classes including HIIT, yoga, strength training, Pilates, dance and stretching, all led by certified trainers. The best part? Most of its workout library is completely free, which makes it a standout option for users who want flexibility without committing to expensive plans. The paid Pro version adds features like meal plans, offline downloads, wearable syncing and more personalized fitness insights. Users love the app's clean design, workout variety, and ability to fit sessions into any schedule, whether you have 5 minutes or an hour. However, there are some downsides to consider. FitOn doesn't provide real-time feedback or form correction, which can be a drawback for beginners. Some users also report small issues like limited search options, casting glitches, and basic nutrition guidance in the meal plans. Overall, FitOn is a great choice for anyone seeking accessible at-home fitness with solid value and convenience. It's not perfect, but for a mostly free app, it delivers impressive variety and motivation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest tech and fitness app reviews every week.